Buying your first sewing machine in 2026 is a minefield. Marketing lies, confusing tech, and one wrong click could trap you with a machine that quits on your first project. Pause, but what if you had a crystal ball? After testing 14 models, we found the 3 machines that dominate 2026, not for their flashy features, but for a secret they all share. One of them is hiding on Amazon for under $250. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one has the hidden flaw the brands don't want you to find, and which one will make you fall in love with sewing. Number 1. Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Little Rebel is an all-in-one quilting and sewing machine. Piece your quilts with the sewing foot and feed dogs, and swap to free motion quilting in less than a minute when you're ready to finish your project. Just slide on the quilting plate and switch the sewing foot for a quilting foot. Stand at a quilting frame or sit down to free motion with the included quilting extension base. Features: 13-inch of throat length, 8.5 of throat height, built-in stitch regulation, easily switch from sewing to quilting, throat, needle, and bobbin lights, powerful motor with stitch speeds up to 1,600 stitches per minute, ability to handle almost any fabric, M-class bobbin, and more. What comes with the Little Rebel? Little Rebel machine: foot pedal, stitch control box for mounting on handles, sewing foot, quilting plate, size 12, 14, and 18 Mr. needles, 10 each, needle threading tool, machine oil. Number 2. Elna Excellence 790 Pro Sewing and Quilting Machine. The new Excellence 790 Pro will meet the highest expectations of sewists as well as quilters. Amazing space, prodigious power, and unlimited technical and creative possibilities. Our breakthrough model now comes with enhanced capabilities and is equipped with our fantastic accurate stitch regulator, also for ruler work. Intelligent feeding and many automated functions will assist you to boost perfection, performance, and ease of use, even with your most ambitious sewing projects. Next to a feeding system providing highest accuracy and easier control, automated functions will assist you to boost perfection, performance, and ease of use. Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylist 9985 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Quantum Stylist Touch 9985 sewing machine takes sewing to a whole new level, starting with the easy-to-use color touch LCD screen, where you can view tutorials for setting up your machine to sew. Scroll through the more than 1,000 different stitch applications to get inspired for your next project. Your stitch selection appears in actual size on the LCD screen, and you can customize the length and width as well. Many stitches can be mirror imaged or elongated for even more creative options. Choose basic or stretch stitches for fashion sewing, quilting, and heirloom stitches for quilts or table linens, or decorative stitches to embellish almost anything. Buttonholes can be sewn in one easy step, and there are 13 different styles to choose from: basic bar tack, stretch buttonholes for stretch fabrics, keyhole buttonhole for menswear or outerwear, and more. Number 4. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. This Brother machine is perfect for multiple everyday sewing projects. Featuring a full range of user-friendly features and a lightweight design, the Brother XM2701 is perfect for beginners who are learning to sew and more advanced sewers who are looking for versatility. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine offers 27 built-in stitches, including blind hem, decorative, and quilting stitches, with an automatic one-step buttonholer for virtually perfect buttonholes. The XM2701 has been engineered for easy use, featuring 6 quick-change sewing feet, including buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing feet. Users will enjoy the ease of sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs with the built-in free arm. Number 5. Janome 4120 QDC T Computerized Quilting and Sewing Machine. The Janome 4120 QDC has been designed for every type of sewing: everyday, home decor, high fashion, patchwork, and quilting. 120 built-in stitches including 7 buttonholes gives you the perfect range of stitches for any task. Boasting a full LCD screen, automatic thread cutter, on-screen stitch editing, and much more, this machine truly is an incredible, feature-packed computerized sewing machine that will satisfy the needs of even the most experienced and demanding seamstress. The easy-to-use control panel and LCD screen allows for more detail in decorative stitches, and incredible fine adjustments in all stitches. And with 7mm stitch width, this sort of bold detail can be easily appreciated. Great projects begin with great tension. The precision tension dial lets you set your tension and your tension stays there. So, did the frontrunner live up to their hype? Let me know in the comments, the innovator, the silent workhorse, or the budget king, which one are you choosing? Click the first link in the video description for our always updated list with the best prices on all 3 machines we recommend. If this guide saved you from a costly mistake, pay it forward with a like on this video. Share it with a friend who's ready to start their sewing journey. And subscribe, because next week, we're revealing the one forbidden stitch on these machines that voids your warranty instantly. Thanks for sewing along with me.